Alright, so let's get started with setting up our blog. We're going to go to blogger.com. So open up any browser and the address, blogger.com. Then we're going to go over to sign in. You're going to click sign in, and it's going to use your Google account that the state sets up with your school email. So type in your school email. Mine's a little bit different because I'm a teacher, but you have 2 letters and then some numbers behind it. Log in, and it will take you to this screen. This screen here is going to ask you for your display name. This is just so that they have a name behind you if you do comments. So it can be whatever you want. I suggest not to use your full real name so people can't, stalk you. Then you're going to go to right here, create new blog. And you're going to title your blog, and I want it to be the name of the class. So if it's nutrition and wellness, you're going to put nutrition and wellness there. If it's culinary, you put culinary there. Whatever the class is, and then digital portfolio. And then your address is going to be the first part of your email address. So again, it's those 2 letters and those 4 numbers behind it. Don't put the at, whatever, just stop there. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says .blogspot.com. That's going to be your web address. Now, if you for some reason have a exclamation point over there instead of a check mark, you might have to add another letter or something just so that it's it might be used for somebody else's blog. So you're just going to find a theme. You can go back and I'm going to show you how to change a theme if you don't like it, but just pick a theme, anything that you like. And then I click no thanks here. We don't really need to do that. We don't need a domain tied to. Alright, so this is your blog. So you only need to do that part once. You're only doing a blog once. On the left hand side there's some things. If you want to change your theme, you say, oh, I don't like that theme. There's a whole bunch of themes that you can change from. So you can kind of scroll through and find a theme that fits your personality a little bit best, and then just push apply theme. So I'll just kind of browse through a couple different designs. It's a food blog, so you kind of want to stay food-ish, or and then clicked apply, and then you don't want to download or buy anything. So now at the top we're going to click, and we're going to start our brand new blog post. Now your blog is an ongoing blog, so you're going to label it so that we can figure out what it is. The first one is going to be blog number 1 and knife skills. So now I'm going to upload our picture. So you're going to make sure that you upload your photo to your computer, either email it to yourself or attach to wire, and then you click choose file, and it's going to open up your desktop, find the photo, and then select it. So you got to hover over the photo, click the photo, and then you're going to push add at the bottom. There you go. So now it's attached to your blog, so you can start your paragraph. Remember the rubric for your blog, it should be in your syllabus. It's also on Schoology, so if you need a refresher, but I will have it pop up right here so that you can kind of see what you need. You need 3 paragraphs, a photo of the finished product, and you also need to have your recipe typed out. Alright, so moving on, I'm just going to kind of finish up a couple of lines here, and then I'm going to show you how to save. So if you go up here, there's a publish button and there's the save button. If you are not finished and you're not ready for it to be published yet, you can also preview it. So this is a preview, so if you can notice in the left corner there's a little banner up there that says preview, but this is kind of what it looks like. Going back, if you want to publish it, you click that and it will publish it live. So if you're not ready, save button, you can go back to it, publish when you're ready. So here is my published blog. If I want to fix it or go back and edit, I just click that. I can delete it, I can view it, but the first thing you're going to do is you're going to give me access to your blog. So you're going to copy, and then you're going to open up this in Schoology, and then we're going to upload your link. So uploading the link, you could find it right there on your home page, or you can go into the courses, and it's usually going to be in your first couple of modules, whichever we're in. Different classes do it at different times, but you'll find an upload blog link. You're going to click that link, and it's going to open up a little dialog box. You're going to use the submit assignment box. You're going to upload your link. Now when the box pops up, there's the upload. That's if you were going to upload an actual file. We don't have that today. So we're going to go to create, because it's going to open up a dialog box which you can type in. So we're going to paste, oops, wrong one. So I'm going to go back and find my URL link. There we go, copy. And I'm going to paste it right here in the box. Click submit. Now I always make sure that you guys double check to make sure you submit exactly what you want to submit and it's not the wrong thing. So go back, click the assignment, and it will open up a box that will look exactly like what I see. Click on your link, make sure it takes you to your website, you didn't accidentally copy the wrong thing or whatever, and if it looks good, you are good to go. And you only need to do this one time, the first time, because then I can always access it by clicking on this link that you've given me already access to. Alright, so going back to Blogger, I'm going to show you a few more things. We're going to do a new post. Again, you only need to set up your blog once. Your posts are just going to be new posts. So the second one is going to be blog number 2, and remember we're going to name it after what we're doing. So if you're doing Philly steak, or I'm just going to do poppy seed muffins, you want to name your blog. First give me the number and then what it is in terms of the recipe. So I'm going to find another picture for this blog just to kind of go over this again. Just see, there we go. We'll do that one right there. Just open. Remember, click it, add it. There's my picture. Type your blog out, and now I'm just going to save this one just so you can see what it looks like. So saving it, I'm going to close, and if you look at this blog, this is number 2, if it has red draft, that means it's not published. It means I can't see it. So you have to make sure that you go and you publish it by the deadline. So go back to edit, finish what you need, push publish, and you can see the draft is gone, so that now those are live. So this is what your blog is going to look like. It's going to build on it. So each blog you're going to just kind of stack on it like a layer cake. So that gets you started on your blog. Hopefully that it becomes a second nature to remember to take photos when you do your labs so that you can upload it to your blog. Don't wait till the last minute to get your blog done. They will be due on Sunday night. So don't wait till Sunday to post them, because you don't have, you don't know if you're going to have internet issues. Just make sure that as soon as you get the recipe, you can start adding that recipe to your blog. Just start taking the time now so that you don't fall behind and get behind the 8 ball. You're going to find that there's not a lot of assignments that get graded in this class. Your blogs are going to be your number 1 grade. So you want to make sure that you don't forget about those.